Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use rib command is discussed here. And today learn here a Solidworks lecture 37 and Solidworks all 3D commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. And guys, rib command and draft command is learn one by one, and today discuss here a rib command and how to easily learn here and how to easily work this rib command and use in Solidworks. Okay, let's start here. Okay, this is our Solidworks software interface, and at first draw any geometry, then use a front plane, and at first draw any center rectangle. Okay, draw any rectangle and no mention any dimension. Okay, extrude boss, and extrude boss is this is a 60. Okay, this is a 30 millimeter is correct. This thickness is 30 millimeter and blind. Okay, this is a perfect plain white, and this is a cartoon is apply here. This is a correct. Okay, and this face is click here, and this is a correct. Okay, and normal. Okay, and draw any circle is a draw here. This is a perfect. Okay, and extrude cut is okay. Extrude boss is this is a high, this is a height is 60 is correct. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect, and use a rib command, then and rib command is used here. Some important point is discussed here. Then rib command is a use means adds thin wall support a solid body. Okay, this definition means adds thin wall support to a solid body. Any solid body is support here, then use a thin wall. Okay, at first plane is created here, then this is a correct this face, and this face is click here, and use a plane is draw here a middle, and then this is a click, and this sketch and use a normal. Okay, and this line is draw here this any midpoint this. Okay, all is perfect. This is a correct. Okay, and use a rib command. Okay, this is a perfect, and direction is always downward, because this direction is already a downward. Okay, this is correct, and okay, correct. This board is support here, and all is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect, and use a okay perfect, and then use again draw a plane and this face, and click this. Okay, and click OK, and again draw a this and sketch normal. Okay, and line is created here this point and this. Okay, and click exit, and okay, this is a perfect exit, and use a rib command, and direction is downward, because already direction is downward looking here. Okay, click OK. This is a perfect. But okay, some use a mirror is this. Okay, and this. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and this is a pattern use. Okay, use a circular pattern, and at first this is a this edge point. Okay, this is a correct, but okay, this is a correct, 5 is correct, all okay, all is perfect. This is a okay, 4 is a correct, 5 is okay, this is a 6, 7, 8 is perfect, but not looking here. Okay, this is a okay, okay, not perfect, but 3 is a more, but not correct, because this is a space is okay, and a skip point is means this point is a skip here. Okay, this is a skip, and okay, this is a skip here, but not correct. Okay, okay, mirror command is not mirror command is used here, and this is a correct. Okay, and mirror command is used here, and this plane is a this plane, and use this body is mirror. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, mirror command is not use a pattern, this is a hide, and also this is a hide, and this face is click here, and okay, this is a normal, and draw a any circle. Extrude cut is and exit, and this command is use extrude cut. Okay, up to next, correct. Okay, and some use a color. Color means all is a blue color, but some other color is add here. Okay, this okay, this and green color is perfect, and again select a color. Color means this is a clear, and this is a select feature. This use a color pink, and again select here. This is a correct. Okay, all is looking so nice here. Okay, this is this body is a perfect. Okay, this is looking very nice, and this is a isometric view is drawing here, isometric view. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a color is also changed here, this face, and click. Okay, okay, this is a blue color is better. Okay, all is perfect, looking so nice. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and rib command is discussed here very easily and clearly. Okay, and guys, all rib command is all point is discussed here, and next lecture is coming soon. And guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. today we are going to see and use a draft command is used here. And guys, today discuss here SolidWorks lecture 37 and SolidWorks all 3D commands learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay guys, draft command is very important and very useful and helpful for any create any design and create a new design here. And draft command is also a very useful and helpful new design create. And some use a very important point is discussed here. And okay, let's start here. Okay, this body is a draw here is already a 3D body is draw here, and then use a this body use a draft command. And how to easily work draft command is this board in this body. Okay, click draft command, and some important point is discussed here. Draft command, how to easily definition of draft command. Draft command means tapers model face by a specified angle using a neutral plane or a parting line. Okay, taper model face by a specified angle, any specified angle, then face is a face model is tapered. Okay, using a neutral plane or a parting line. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and click this and use this an item to draft. Okay, and at first click okay, this is a correct. And this is a draft expert and manual. Okay, and manual is a very important type, is a type of draft: neutral plane, parting line, and a step draft. Okay, 3 type. And draft angle is change here. This is a increase and decrease value is. Okay, at first click any neutral plane and then face to draft. Okay, at first click this line and any plane is neutral, this face is click here and direction is upward and downward. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, click here and this is a this face is a neutral. And face to draft, select this face and this face is a draft. Two face is a draft and this face is a neutral, and click angle is increase, and this is a 45, this is a 50 is correct. And click OK, this is a draft. Okay, this is a correct. This is line is draft. You can see here easily on the screen and looking very nice. And again change this is edit feature, then other face is also select here. This is a correct. And 4 face is selected and this face is a neutral, and then click OK, this is a draft. Okay, and also angle is change here. Okay, direction is a also change here. Then this, okay, this is a this direction is upward because this direction is downward, then draft is click OK, this is a draft is change here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and also angle is a change here. Okay, this is a perfect. Direction is upward and angle is a this angle is decrease, then 40 is correct. Then okay, then this okay, this is a perfect. And this face is a color is change here. Okay, this face is a color is change here, and this is a okay correct. But this face and okay, this is a correct. Okay, select this. Okay, only face is click at this face, and this face is a okay, this is a correct. but okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this draft command is used here, and this body is also okay. This is a looking perfect. Okay, this is a perfect looking so nice, and click this face and click a circle is a draw here. Okay, this is a circle is a draw here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and okay, also mention any dimension. This dimension is a okay, this is correct, and 65 is correct also, 80 is better. Okay, this is a cut, extrude cut here, and okay, this is a perfect also, and this face click okay, this is a perfect looking so nice here. This is a correct. Okay guys, this body is draw here, and draft command is used here, and all process and all method is learn here. Okay guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly, and get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.